Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we're going to be doing an unboxing of the DJI Mic Mini. So let's get started. If you're not new to DJI products, you know that their packaging and design is top notch. So we dive straight into the box and take out the DJI Mic Mini. This is the Duo pack, so it does come with the two microphones. It also comes with a lovely soft travel case just to keep everything protected. It also comes with 4 wind socks or wind shields. There's 2 black and there's 2 grey. We then remove the pocket-sized charging case that holds all the necessary DJI Mic Mini components together. Both microphones can be used wired or wirelessly via Bluetooth, and they only weigh around 10 grams each. We then move on to the receiver, and using the USB-C adapter provided, can be connected straight to a laptop, a smartphone or a camera. It also has its own manual gain switch on the receiver, as you can see here. Next up is the case, and this can virtually house all of these accessories inside the case, including the wind socks being connected to the microphones. And the last couple of things are the TRS cable and a USB-A to a USB-C charging cable. Thanks for watching the video. If you want any more in-depth information on this, please leave a comment in the description below. I will be doing a noise comparison on this, so please like, subscribe and turn on your notifications. Thanks for watching.